Hi everyone, I'm Desiree Joy Lanceras and I will discuss about pictogram. Pictograms are types of charts and graphs that use icons and images to represent data. Also known as pictographs, icon charts, picture charts, and pictorial unit charts. Pictograms use a series of repeated icons to visualize simple data. The icons are arranged in a single line or a grid, with each icon representing a certain number of units, usually 1, 10, or 100. So pictogram is the simplest way of showing data using pictures instead of crosses or numbers or anything. So think of pictograms like a way of sorting out or being very organized. Pictograms are most commonly used in Key Stage 1 as a simple and engaging introduction to bar charts, and sometimes teachers will give children cutout pictures to count out and stick onto a ready-made sheet. So this physical activity makes the concept very clear for young children. While compiling information for a pictogram, a teacher will usually encourage their class to collect data about other children. For example, children might ask to find out about favorite crisp, cake, animals, or colors of the children in their class or another class. Often, they will record this information on a class list and then put it onto a tally chart. For the younger children, the teacher will probably collate a tally chart on the board for the class. So this information is then converted into a pictogram. So here are some examples of pictogram.